pair of cat spirit sisters, longing for the human world, transform into human form and go to a village to experience their life.
Beauty, what's your name?
Don't touch her.
Thank you.
Here's human. You can't stay with them.
Don't see him anymore.
This is my home.
Why do I feel so weak?
Because I poisoned the food. We'll lose all your powers.
I know you're a monster. All I did was to catch you today.
You are a monster hunter!
欢迎778天。
My magic array can limit you spells. You can't hurt me.
他修了我的身体哦。